Alright guys, so if you really want to give your hair some nice definition, section it out. Okay? You want to section it out like this. Get some conditioner that you like. This conditioner is a conditioner from Nigeria that I'm testing out. Any conditioner will work, to be honest. But of course, the better quality, the better. Just a nice little amount will do. Put that in your hands. Put that on the unit. Run it through there real good. Then we're going to get our spray bottle. Love this spray bottle. We're just going to saturate the hair so we can define our curls. We don't need it soaking wet, but we do want it wet enough to, you know, to detangle and brush out. We're going to use our detangling brush. Uh-oh. Whoa. Child, why? And we're just going to brush it out like this. Let's kind of zoom it in a little bit. And we're going to keep this same technique all throughout the whole wig, okay?